Kung potso-potso ang buhay mo, tanong mo yung sarili mo, baka potso-potso lang din ang bigay mo sa laro ng buhay. Again, at the end of the day, go full out.
I closed 1,400 packs, coach, because of giving full out. From Fujairah to Dubai, biglang gusto ko ng client na makita kasi 1,400 yung ibibigay nila sa akin na client.
Oh my
Hindi
God.
Hindi naging hindrance sa akin ng distance. Sabi ko, I will be there. I will be there in the meeting. And lo and behold, by the Creator bring me there. And we closed the deal.
Thank
you
you
so much for that full out value, coach.
Thank you. Again, kung nagpotso-potso bigay mo, potso-potso balik. Pero pag binigay mo buong buo, balik din buong buo. Hindi man galing siguro sa kung saan ka nagsilbi. Pero fair lagi eh. That's why kung hindi ka happy sa buhay mo, tignan mo paano ka magbigay. Paano ka mag-show up. Kasi pag nagbigay ka ng palugi, as if naman sila ang lugi, hindi ikaw yung lugi. Because this is what I believe. When I give to you, I'm not actually giving to you. I'm giving it to myself. When I take something from you, when I give you potso-potsong trabaho, potso-potso rin binibigay ko sa sarili. I always believe that. That ever since I started working at age 21, I'm 54 right now, todo bigay. May kikita or wala, todo bigay. Bakit? Signature ko yun eh. World class dapat all the time. Even if I'm not paid the amount of money I want because I understand I'm just being prepared. I understand that in life, it's the vessel that I need to take care of. That when the vessel gives full out, buong buo, 100%, it will go back to me tenfolds and hindi yan nawawala. Laging nangyayari yan. And just continually do it. Even if it doesn't show up right now, yes. Because why? Lahat ng magandang bagay takes time. So anong mas gusto natin? Yung instant noodle? Or yung talagang yung ginawa pa, handmade pa na noodle na niluto ng chef, di ba? We want that, except that we want instant. Every good things takes time. An example here is mangga at munggo. Yung munggo, madaling itanim, madaling i-harvest, pero mura. Yung mangga, aabot siguro ng 10 years, 15 years, pero pag namunga, walang katapusan. At yung bunga nagiging puno, yung puno nagiging bunga hanggang magkaroon ka ng forest because you understand, let's go for long term. Let's give it all. In everything that we do, that's how we serve our God. That's how we serve ourselves. That's how we serve humanity when you start giving.